All right. Hi everyone. My name is Orsam, and this is a short video explaining this AI code project that I am doing right now. So basically, what is it? Yes, so this is an OpenAI chat integration in Judge Zero IDE. And let's get into it. All right. So to introduce, Judge Zero IDE is a powerful open source online compiler. That's what you can think of it, where users essentially write code and then you can execute the code as well. And this can be done in multiple languages. Now, this is great for running programs, but what we want to do for this project is to enhance it with AI features, right? So you have an AI assistant that can help you. That's what we're trying to do. And so, what have I been doing? So, to make this possible, I basically did four steps or four things. The first of which was to replace the existing logic, which really did not have an API call. So, I integrated OpenAI's API at the backend, right? So, that's the first step. Next step was that to use the AI feature, you need to like sign in. You need to have an OpenAI account. I removed the sign in requirement just to make it easier for users. The third thing I did was to make sure that the chat input box is always available, it's always like enabled. And the last thing I did was that I reflected all of the changes that we made at the back end and with the AI stuff um, through the HTML file. So it actually reflects on like the user interface, right? So that's what we did. And theoretically speaking, everything is kind of set up correctly, so it should work, because you have a chat box, you should be able to type in, it should go using an API to the OpenAI, and then we should get a result or like an answer from it, which should be displayed in the chat box. So theoretically, this should work, but right now it's actually still not working. So there are some problems. So it is unfinished. I have shortlisted what the problem could be, and really, I think it could be one of three problems. The first of which could be that is an API key restriction. Now, I'm not too positive if this is actually the case because I did get my API key from OpenAI's website and I hard coded it, which is also not a good idea though. But I don't think this is probably going to be the issue, but it still could be an issue, right? The second issue, I believe, could just be like some issue with the front end, right? There might be some conflicting issues that are disabling the user interface, right? Because right now I'm not able to type. Everything else is like visible, but I'm not able to type. So it might be the case there's a front end issue, or like it could also be there's like a network issue. Maybe there's like some permission issues with the AI, with the OpenAI like API call. So not exactly sure. Perhaps it could just be some other issue. But yeah, that's basically what I've done in this second attempt. Once again, I learned how to like problem solve, search for problems, and like implement solutions. And right now we have a bottleneck over here. But yeah, that's basically for this project. This was exciting. It was kind of like a dry project once again. And let's see what happens next. Once this is functional, my hope is that really we will have built an IDE that has an AI assistant integrated into it. So that would be super cool. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And let's see how to stop this.